discuss LeetCode problem number 207 course schedule. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I've added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem course schedule. So you are given a vector of prerequisites and the courses you can take and the number of courses. So if you are given a pair, like you are given a vector of pairs like a1 and b1 is one such pair. So in order to take course a1, you must have taken the course b1. So you must have taken the course b1 if you want to take course a1. So sort of like you can say that b1 is like computer science 101, like introduction to programming, and then b2 could be like a1 could be like advanced data structures or something like that. So let us, these examples of LeetCode, they are very simple. I have an example in the solution. So let's take a look at the solution on this example. So what this one is says that you have to take course 0 before you take course 1, and then then once you are done with course 1, you become eligible for course 2. Once you take course 2, you become eligible for course 3, and so you finish the entire 4 courses. So you return true here. So there is no cycle. So that's the idea. So let us look at I call this pattern as building this adjacency list and then BFS. You build the adjacency list and then you do a BFS traversal to detect a cycle, and that's why I call this pattern as such. And so let's take a look at the solution. This is the adjacency list, and then this is the in degree to process at each node. So now you have to build this adjacency list. So you travel through the input prerequisites, get the eligible course and its prerequisite, and then prerequisite adjacency list to add the eligible course. So this one is basically 0. The eligible course becomes 1 in that example, and then you increment the in degree of course 1 as plus plus. So I think this should be eligible course, I think. So, and then once you are done, you do a BFS traversal by actually adding all the courses which have no prerequisite. So that's what you are doing. So now you set the processed courses to 0, and while queue is not empty, you basically, like the standard BFS logic, you do the front and then the pop, and then now because you took this course, you increment the processed courses. Now you go through all the neighbors in the adjacency list and then basically bring down their in degree, and if it becomes 0, then you push that onto the queue. Because in this case, like once you take 0 and then you go through its neighbors, which is only 1 in the example below, it's only 1, and you reduce that to 0 and then add 1 to the queue, and then similarly do that for 2 and then do for 3. That's the idea. So then at the end, if the processed courses is number of courses, then there is no cycle and you have succeeded and you can finish all the courses. So let us take a look at the run. You build this adjacency list, like course 1 depends on course 0, course 2 on course 1, and then course 3 on course 2. Like 0 has been added to the queue in topological order, and then processing course 0, and then reduce the in degree of 1 to 0, and then add 1, and then add 2, and then add 3, and then all courses are completed. That's it. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in next video. Bye.